Imagine having a friendly robot that helps you how to invest your money. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's real and you can use it today. In this video, I'll show you 5 amazing AI-powered investing platforms that make investing easy and smart for regular people. Stick around to see how these tools can help you start investing with confidence, even if you're a total beginner. Personally tested all 5 platforms you're about to see. Even as a numbers person and with a finance degree, I know how time-consuming and overwhelming investing can be, especially with the constant noise in the markets. So although I have strict investing rules, I'm a human and make mistakes. That's why I tried all these tools to see if they could help me simplify decision-making, spot opportunities faster, and automate parts of my investing workflow. And that's why I'm sharing my experiences with you, whether you're a beginner or just looking for smarter ways to manage your portfolio. You can test them out or simply play around to see what's possible. Ready? So let's dive into the details. I'll start with Surmount.ai, one of the first tools I've tested. What I liked right away was how easy it was to build a strategy without writing a single line of code. You can choose from pre-built portfolios like tech, green energy or momentum, or build your own using simple point and click tools. One particularly interesting strategy I found was the GLD tech rotation. It automatically switches between gold, GLD, and tech stocks, the ETF QQQ, depending on market conditions. When the risk is high, it shifts into gold. When momentum returns, it moves back into tech. That kind of logic, grounded in historical data and pattern recognition, really stood out for me. There are many strategies worth exploring, and the platform provided clear buy and sell signals so you can follow along or act manually. For $5 a month, you get access to pre-built strategies. At $10 per month, you can customize your own and unlock their AI-powered advisor. If you enjoy testing smart ideas and seeing what performs best, Surmount is a powerful tool to experiment and learn. By the way, I'm keeping each of these segments short to give you a quick overview. But if you want me to go deeper in any of the platforms, just drop a comment below. Next up is Rockflow.ai, and honestly, this one surprised me. When I first tried it, I thought it would be just another investing app, but it turned out to be much more interactive. It's like having a financial buddy named Bobby right in your pocket. You can literally type or even speak to Bobby and ask things like, what stocks are trending today? Or what's a dividend? And Bobby will reply in a natural, friendly tone. For example, when I asked what's trending today, Bobby responded with, tech stocks are looking strong. Apple is up 2% and a new product announcement, and Nvidia continues to ride the AI wave. That kind of interaction makes it feel like you've got a knowledge buddy helping you make sense of the market. What I liked is how conversational and beginner-friendly it is. I'm investing for more than 20 years, but even for me, sometimes it's just nice to get a quick answer. Bobby makes it feel like you're chatting with a smart friend who is really into the markets. Rockflow also includes something called TradeGPT. This is their AI that helps you create a custom portfolio based on your investing goals. You tell it what you're looking for, like long-term growth, dividends, or a special sector, and it generates a tailored portfolio for you. The results typically include 5 to 10 well-known stocks, often diversified across sectors or with a clear theme depending on your input. For example, a dividend-focused request might include utility and blue-chip companies with strong payout histories. Think of it like a ChatGPT, but for your investing strategy. You can also copy portfolios from other users or AI models. Plus, it supports fractional investing, so you can start with just $1. The best part, it's free to download, and super simple to use. If you're just starting out or want investing to feel more like a guided experience, Rockflow is worth trying. Let me know in the comments if you want me to test more strategies or show a live demo of how Bobby responds. I'm happy to go deeper if you are curious. The next tool is my favorite trick when I want my ideas to happen automatically. It's called capitalize.ai, and the best part is you just type what you want like you're chatting. I connected it for free to my Interactive Brokers account, and I wanted to try if I could make a trade when something special happens. So I wrote sell TQQQ when it drops 10% below its recent high or when it's 10% above the 50-day moving average line. And boom, it understood and built the rule for me. Super easy. You can make it also more complex and add more of your rules. You can tell it when to buy, when to sell, and even what to watch for. No coding, just your own ideas written in normal words. It's like turning thoughts into actions, but faster. Want to see how I wrote the rules or what happened with the TQQQ test? Just ask in the comments and I'll show you. The last tool I tested is stockhero.ai, and it's all about automated trading bots. This one's especially interesting if you want to go beyond stock picking and actually deploy strategies that trade for you. What impressed me was how many pre-built bot templates they offer. I looked at a few which you can rent, and they execute the strategy automatically. You can test run it in paper trading mode first to see how they perform. You get real-time results without risking your money upfront. Their light subscription model starts with $29 per month. They offer a premium model which allows you to rent 15 bots and a professional model. The platform supports connections with brokers like Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood, TradeStation, and others. So when you're ready, you can go live with your bot. Even better, you can build your own bot using logic blocks. You don't need to code, just set rules like if RSI drops below 30 and price crosses above the 20-day moving average, buy. I found this fun and hands-on, perfect for people who like testing strategies, tracking performance, and letting automation do the heavy lifting. If you're curious about which bot performed best for me, let me know in the comments. I can show you the stats and logic behind it. So those were the 5 AI-powered investing platforms I tested, each with a unique angle and something powerful to offer. I personally will use one or two and dive deeper in their strategies or bots, and I might make another video with more details. It is worth to try one or two. Most of them are free to start or have trials, and you learn something even if you don't invest real money. I'd love to hear from you. Which platform would you try first? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments and let me know if you want a deep dive into any of these tools. I'm more than happy to share most of my strategies, test results, or even film a walkthrough. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel going and helps me bring more content like this to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.